What is up, guys? Welcome back to the new video, and today you're joining me once again for another bumpy ride through mostly Russian streets. And before we continue, just a quick word with you. You can submit your videos, there's a link down below, and also I refreshed channel art a bit, so you might want to take a look. Let me know what you think about it, and now buckle up, the shit is about to get real. Alrighty, let's see what's in store for us. Oh damn! Not the greatest idea in the world. I mean, he kinda asked for it. This is not a two-lane road judging by the looks of it. And plus he wants to undertake that bus in a very stupid place. Whoa! That guy is really digging it. You know what I mean? Whoa, holy moly. Oh, damn. That was a biggie. Oof, this is a big reminder, guys. Always double check your wheels and brakes and everything basically in your car. And here, as we can hear, nobody's putting pressure on this truck driver by blowing a horn or something. Oops, my bad. Sorry, guys. You suck. Boop. That was a little tiny love tap. Why not? Russian truck does whatever Russian truck does. Can he crash? Yes, of course. He's a Russian truck. Here I go singing again. So, right, this looks promising. There's a Merc. Oh, oops, there we go. Oh, dearie me. Oh my god, that's not exactly how you should use your hands to stop the car from rolling. But never mind, she was hoping all of those fatty days in a gym will pay off one day. But unfortunately for her, that day hasn't come yet. And yeah, small tip, next time use your hands for steering, not for holding your car like a Superman. Moving on now. Whoa, easy, Tiger, where's the fire at? Oh, he's braking hard. No. Oh, damn. I cannot believe how stupid some people can be. Whoa. Ooh, damn, that was some scary stuff, I'll tell you that. Ooh, and by the way, sorry if I made some disturbing noises. And here you're gonna witness the biggest crash ever. Check it out. Whoop, nah, I'm just pulling your leg. Consider this April Fool's joke. A late one, but still. Alright, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. That guy sounded like a crow. Damn, he even reacted better than I would. Wiggle. Hold it, come on, hold it. You can do it. No. Oh man. Oof. This is bad. This is bad. I thought he was gonna save it, but nope. And now, with all jokes aside, whoa. You cheeky little sausage. You see how close he was? Damn. But never mind that. Where was I? Right, fishtailing. It's very dangerous, as you saw. And the best way to, let's say, survive this when it happens is to get lightly on the brakes and slow down. That's your best bet. And there are many reasons for this, why this can happen, and sometimes it's strong wind, sometimes it's incorrect load placement or weight reduction, that stuff, and many other things. So you just brake lightly and do not panic. Panic is worse than a fishtail, believe me. So yeah, I hope you find this information useful. And now let's continue. The policeman says you can go. Yep. But the common man says, nah, you're effed. He went full John Cena there. Right, here we have a live demonstration of how to flip your car. Ta-da! There you go. Or maybe should I call this ad for Russians? This is what I do basically most of the time. Oh, that Lada is in mint condition. And by the looks of it, it's reliable like Italians in 1943. Oh my god. Oh man. Whoa. Oh, why the hell did he do that? Oh. Damn. Oh wait, please tell me that's not fuel. Oh. I hope it isn't, because that goddamn place would become one giant fireball, so you know what I mean. And now, ladies and gents, it's time for a worst parking job of the week. So here it is. And as you can see, the whole street is full with illegally parked cars, the whole damn thing. There's even a driving school car parked across the street. Nobody gives a toss about pedestrians whatsoever. So in my country, it's like people walk on the street and people drive their cars on a sidewalk. Yeah, I know, it's messed up, but it is what it is. And now let's move on. Oh, reverse light, that's not a good sign. No, 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 no. Ah, whoopsie daisy. What a shame, he did everything right. Apart from choosing the right gear, but whatever. Hey man, what the hell was that? Are you trying to kill me or something? Huh? Sorry guys. Whenever I see a pickup truck, my inner hillbilly wakes up. That's it. Oh, we have a little bit of snow action. I'm fine with that. Is this guy going a little bit too fast, or is it just me? Nope. Oh, speed and power isn't the answer here. Hold it. Oh, hold it. Oh, oh. Oh, who would have thought? Screaming actually stops sliding. Tires get traction when you scream. Interesting. I have to take a note on that one. Don't. The train is coming. Don't. Whoa, damn. I thought the train is gonna wipe him out, but nope. La la la, the Russian's greatest crash machine. Oh crap, oh crap, no, oh damn, hot damn. You hot dog, are you crazy or something? And here we have a man in a van. He's sliding about. Oh, that's not gone well. Holy moly. Where are you going, bro? Use your brakes. I can smell here something's gonna fall off. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice one. Congrats, bro. You dodged that bullet. This guy here is like, power! And that yellow car is like, crash! Into the ditch! Oh my god. So guys, that concludes this episode of How Not to Drive. It's time to end. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and also feel free to leave a like. I already said that, didn't I? Feel free to leave a comment. I always have fun reading them. So yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao ciao, bye.